Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni, and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids, and I do love to read, but I've been struggling for a while to find the time. Any busy moms out there that have trouble finding time to read? I'm one of them, and as much as I would love to say that I sit down and read every single day, it doesn't happen, and I'm trying to change that. So today's video is a new idea I had that's hopefully gonna help inspire me to start reading and hopefully will inspire you to start reading. So if you've had an itch to read and you need a little bit of push, then stay tuned because I hope this will help. Okay, so we will see what you guys think of this idea, but what I came up with is instead of having the pressure of sharing what we read this month, which is a video that has done really well on my channel. My oldest daughter and I would sit down and we'd share all the books that we read this month. And we did really well last year. And I feel like everybody really loved it. But this year, we haven't done it very much because we haven't had a whole lot of time to read. And just having the pressure of like, oh, I need to read like at least 3 books, 2 or 4, whatever. And then we end up not reading anything, especially if you get in a reading slump and you just don't really like anything. It can be hard. We're gonna try a new series called Muffins and a Mystery, and we'll see what you guys think. So here's the plan. Simple, easy. I am going to pull down one of my cookbooks. I grabbed one, my trusty Pillsbury cookbook. I'm gonna find a recipe for muffins. I will make the muffins. If they're amazing and worth it, I'll put the recipe in the description box for you guys so that you can make some muffins too. And then we're gonna sit down and read a mystery. Once the muffins are in the oven, I will go look at my bookshelf and I will grab a mystery book that I will start. My daughters are doing it with me too, so they're all downstairs looking in the bookshelves, trying to find a mystery, and we're all gonna sit down. My son is at his friend's house, my husband's cutting the grass, so we thought this is a perfect time for the girls to sit down and read a mystery. So we're all gonna find a mystery book. We will share what books we're reading, and then I will somehow maybe post on YouTube, just like a post saying, hey, my book was awesome, or I didn't like it, or whatever. So that's the plan. We'll see how this goes. If you think that sounds like a good idea, give me a thumbs up. That'll kind of help me see, like, do people think this is interesting or not? The first thing we need to do is pick a recipe. So let me take a peek. Okay, I have picked a winner. We're going to do, there's a basic muffin recipe in here, and then there's a bunch of variations that you can do. One of them is lemon muffins, and my husband had COVID a couple years ago and lost his taste and smell, and he still doesn't have it back. So actually the only thing that he can actually taste is lemon. Isn't that sad? That would make me so sad. He lives with it, it's fine. But I think I'll make lemon so that he can actually taste them. So it's the basic muffin recipe, and then I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of grated lemon peel into the flour, and I have lemons, so we're gonna get going. So we'll get the muffins in the oven and then we'll get to the mystery. Preheat the oven. We need, I love these. I got them at Aldi. Okay, you ready? Ooh, 2 cups of flour. Sugar. Oh, I almost dropped it. Sugar. Half a cup of sugar. Looks like half. Baking powder, 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, and half a teaspoon of salt. I love these too. I don't even remember where I got those. Mix well. Now we need to combine 3/4 cup of milk. I didn't feel like putting my ring light up, so the lighting is not great. You get Toni Natural. Okay, 1/3 cup of oil, in with the milk, 1 egg. I actually went through a phase a long time ago. When my daughter was little, I used to watch a ton of cooking shows, like before I was homeschooling and I had all this time. So I watched Rachel Ray and some of those people. I always thought I wanted to have my own cooking show. And I was like, I'm gonna be on the Food Network and I'm gonna cook. And then we bought this house and my husband made this big giant island, and it's a nice open kitchen. So I kind of feel like I have my own cooking show, because sometimes when guests come over and I'm still cooking, they're like standing right there while I'm cooking, and I, try to act like I'm on a cooking show? Well, I kind of am because I can do whatever I want on my channel. Unless you guys don't like this, then I'm just making a video that nobody watches, so. We'll see. Batter will be lumpy, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna mix this. Oh, I almost messed up. So my lemon, I need to grate a tablespoon of grated lemon peel into the flour. I gotta find my grater, hold on. Okay, I found it. It took some searching because we don't use it much. All right, so now I'm gonna grate my little lemon guy. I actually have kind of a big fear of these. I should not look at you guys while I'm doing this. I hate these things. When I was a kid and my mom used to ask me to help with the potatoes, 100% of the time I peeled my finger. So she started asking like my brother or my sister to help because I couldn't do it without hurting myself. So I have this fear of grating my knuckles. Anybody else have this fear? So usually when we need to grate cheese, I have my daughter do it because she's really good at this and I'm just really scared. This is probably why I don't have my own cooking show. We got some lemon peel. So we're gonna put that in, mix that up real quick. Then we're gonna add the good stuff, well, the liquids. If this is good, this is a super easy recipe. I think what I might do at the end is I'll take my little lemon that I peeled all the stuff off of and mix it with powdered sugar and some milk and put a little lemon icing on top. That'll be good. Now we'll get them in our pans. I am just gonna make 6 because I have one of these silicone muffin tins that it's so easy to clean up and they pop right out. They're amazing. So, which I got thrifted by the way. It's Trudeau Muffin Tin. I'll link it below if you want to get it, but I got it at the thrift store. So we'll throw this in. You don't even really have to grease them, I don't think. The moment of truth. So this should make 12 regular muffins. So we are going to make 6 big muffins. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now because I like to keep it fun. I keep it real. We have fun on this channel. I share my failures. I will show you, even if these muffins are not good, I will show you because I keep it real, okay? I hope you appreciate that. There's my batter, okay? They smell good. So I hope they taste really lemony delicious. Okay, muffins are done. Okay, we're gonna put them in the oven I'll set it for 25 minutes, but it may be longer. I'm not sure, just because they're bigger, we'll see. Okay, muffins are done. The oven isn't quite to temperature yet, but I always put it in anyway when it's not ready because I am impatient. All right, now let's get to the mystery. I'm gonna pick my book real quick. This is a good one. I've already read it, but this is a really good one. And this one is book 2. See, sometimes it's good to go back to one that you know is good. Brandon Collins. See this one. Maybe I'll do this one. I might do this. Okay, I'm gonna go first. The girls are just gonna share what book they read. They don't really wanna talk. We're all gonna share what book we're gonna read tonight. So this is just the start of reading, like I said. So we each picked a mystery. We each picked a mystery. So I chose Coral Moon by Brandon Collins. Now, I would say one of the first books that like bumped me into reading, got me all excited about it, was called Violet Dawn by Brandon Collins. And it's book 1. This is book 2. I am pretty sure I've never read this one, which is weird because that was like my favorite book. And it was amazing. It was really good. I talked about it a long time ago on this channel. It was about this girl that moved into this house and found a dead body in her hot tub. And it was like the most intense, really good on the edge of your seat book. And then for some reason, I'd never read book 2. So I'm gonna start book 2 tonight because why not? And I know Brandon Collins is good, so I'm hoping it's gonna be interesting. So now girls, let's see what Liliana, my beautiful Liliana. Okay, what's wrong? What's the problem?
I don't know why I did that.
Oh, okay. Okay, Liliana, what book did you pick?
I picked Case Closed.
Case Closed. Oh, it's covering your face. Case closed, stolen from the studio. Now, have you read this before?
Yes.
Oh, you have? Okay. Is it a good mystery?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So she is picking something that she's read, which is okay. Because as long as it gets you excited about reading, right? Okay, awesome. My Sienna. What did you pick? My Sienna.
I don't remember. Secrets at Cedar Cabin by Colin Coble.
Okay. Secrets of Cedar Cabin by Colin Coble. Do we know anything about this one? Neither of us have read this. You
No.
just bought it the other day.
Yeah, I just know it's like a mystery suspense fiction.
Okay.
Christian.
And we have read a lot of Colin Coble and we like it. So hopefully that'll be a good one.
Like it.
Okay, my tiny one. Annabelle,
I picked
do you want to pass me your book? Do you know what you want to say it first?
the Haley Mysteries, The Haunted Studio.
Oh, the Haley Mysteries, The Haunted Studio. Have you read this before?
I started it, but I never finished it.
Okay, and this is book 1.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So she's going to be reading that. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
How excited?
Super excited.
Oh, that's great. Okay. And there's Moose. Moose, say hi. Are you going to read? Okay. So we are going to, the muffins have, how much time left? 5 minutes left. So we're going to start reading and then we'll show you the muffins. Okay, let's start reading. Muffin time! I will say real quick, now I remember the reason why I always loved Brandon Collins, because so many other books, like I have tried to start books in the last couple months especially, and they take so long to develop characters and all that stuff. I've got to get the muffins out, but this one, like right off the bat, is like there's a bad guy and he's talking and it's like intense right off the bat. And that's what I need sometimes to get into a murder mystery. So if you need that, I do like Brandon Collins. I mean, I'm only on page 1, but I think it's going to be good. Hopefully they're done. Because
Probably burnt now.
they were bigger. Ooh, they look good. They look good. Look how big and brown they are. Check them out. We're gonna make a little drizzle real quick. We are going to make a little icing with our lemon that my son and his little best friends from next door are in the basement. So if you hear lots of screaming and stuff, that's who it is. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze this guy. I hope I have enough powdered sugar. This is all I have left, but hopefully that's enough to make a little bit of a drizzle. A little more, whoops, lemon juice. We're gonna juice the other half of the lemon. Be like a glaze. Smells good. So here are the muffins. We're gonna put some of this icing on them. I made this yummy vanilla icing. They're a little hard. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you guys know how they are. I normally would drizzle this on, but I think because they seem like they're kind of dry muffins, I'm just gonna dunk them. And then they'll have a nice lemony glaze. We'll try them and I'll let you know if the recipe's worth eating again. We're gonna give them a couple minutes for the icing to really like soak in, and then we'll see if they are worth making, and I will let you guys know. Okay, the time has come. I put all the icing on them and now it's kind of like hardened, so let's try one. See, they're not super, they're not as soft as I want them to be. They seem a little dense. It's a big bite. Let's try it. Smells like lemon. That's the dog licking his water, by the way.
No.
Okay. It's not bad, but they're pretty dry. Yeah. I don't know. They're definitely not moist muffins. I'm not sure what to do about that. I mean, they taste good. The lemon is really good, but I wish they were softer. That's the muffin on the inside. Is adding more liquid a better idea? See, what I would probably do is just put an X on this recipe in my book, and we'll try a different recipe next time. It's more like a biscuit, kind of. So anyway, we're gonna finish reading, and we'll try to finish these books soon, and I will update you guys on a post on YouTube. So I will let you know if my book is good, and if you're curious about the girls, let me know, because I'll let you know what they think once they finish their books. So mystery so far was a thumbs up, and muffins were a thumbs down. So next time we'll try to get 2 thumbs up. If you liked this, give me a thumbs up. It seemed like that was gonna work. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on homeschool stuff, mom life stuff, and thrifty stuff, and now muffins and a mystery. So thanks for being here. See you guys next time. Bye.